Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ke Sorkar jela ke Balasyong ye ke review meeting menta ke sengi balang jong ke arpu paratrik ubnaya yong arajar arpu wei ke larai ban syak ya ki bahayeng hasem bakin penkit shalayeng ye kino ki bahayeng ki balak no hadin bakil ye bit ye ke jingpang covid khat kendai hagi jaka ai jing sumar. Menteri jong ke tedat ke koi ke kia uba Alexander L. Heck habaye keren bat kilat patai kubor ulu ye tu baki bahayeng hasem kimla asatya ban pendrung ye ke met jong ki bayap na ke jing ye bit ye ke jingpang covid khat kendai hapo yeng Henry ki day ban syubu tang ha plau yeng hapo ka sapu praganta da ka babut renti ru ye ki kendon ki balap tha da ka Sorkar jela.
Ngibaro ngiburom ya ki balayang. Baro ki bahing masem ki kwa ban yu I sho ban yon tap. Dari kwa ban don hapo ajan yu ki sho ban yon tap. Nang da wa Sorkar kadin ba kino ke bayo positif ki balakhan no. Tambah kini ban tiat kat kum ka protokol jong ka health department jong ka hospital ya ka ba ya ka met jong gitu ki maklat positif ada pak ha properly ka jadi ban tap ha ka senduk bade ka senduk ro de ban sir bala sya eki ban ra hadu ka flau jong ka yeng om de sepo yeng Markilawan bu hangdung dua po pulau juga yeng bala syarun bu hadu sobu fragenta ye kinumla su ban kle dengan senduk kare menong tik untuk ko pha hi na po hospital. Now we don't have that kind of decision taken, but we live on the wisdom of the family. Where they want to take, it depends on their own faith. They want to do for cremation, or they want to do for funeral, or whatever decision is taken. The decision lies with the family only. The food from home also. That arrangement will be made. Suppose now you have any of your relative, anyone who are COVID positive. If you want to bring a food from home, they will take a food also, but they will arrange a person there in the COVID quarantine center to help the family to at least take the food to the COVID destination for the medical, anything related to the medical, they will allow to the vehicle to move. And to make yaga medical.